In this guide, you'll learn a simple and efficient way to convert PDF questions into Google Forms using an add-on tool. Follow these steps to quickly transform your document into a ready-to-use online form. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. When the home page loads, you will see options to start a new form or open an existing one. You can choose a blank form for a fresh start, or select an existing form if you want to continue working on something you have already created. After opening or creating your form, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot icon. This icon opens additional options and settings. From the menu that appears, select the option to Get Add-ons. In the Add-ons Marketplace, search for a tool called AI Form Builder. This add-on is designed to automatically convert the content of a PDF file into questions for your Google form. Once you find it, click the Install button and confirm the installation. Allow the process to complete. After installation, return to your form and click on the Add-ons icon. You will now see AI Form Builder listed. Select it to open its interface. Inside the AI Form Builder interface, choose the option labeled Create Questions From. Then select the option to upload a file. Browse your device and choose the PDF file that contains your questions. After selecting the correct file, click Submit. The tool will begin processing your PDF. After a short moment, your questions will be automatically imported into your Google form. You can then review and edit them as needed. By following these steps, you can save time and simplify the process of turning PDF content into interactive form questions. This approach helps you work more efficiently and manage your digital forms with ease.